In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set limit order on Oanda. By the end, you'll understand what a limit order is, why traders use it, and exactly how to place one on the Oanda web or desktop platform with confidence. First, a quick foundation. A limit order is an instruction to your broker to enter a trade only at a specific price or better, never worse. If you're planning to buy, a buy limit sits below the current market price, aiming to get you in at a cheaper level. If you're planning to sell, a sell limit sits above the current market price, aiming to enter at a higher, more favorable level. The key point is that the order only triggers when your target price is reached or improved upon. Until then, nothing executes. Let's walk through the simple workflow on Oanda. Open your trading platform and load the market you want to trade, for example, EUR/USD. Click Buy or Sell to open the order ticket. Don't worry, clicking here just opens the ticket. It doesn't place a market order yet. In the ticket, change the order type to Limit. This tells the platform you're not entering at the current price, but at the price you specify. Next, enter your desired entry price. For a buy limit, set a price below the current market. For a sell limit, set it above. Be precise with the decimals and make sure the price matches your plan. Enter your units or lot size, keeping your risk in mind. You can also add optional protections. A stop loss to cap potential downside, a take profit to automatically secure gains at a chosen level, and an expiry time if you don't want the order to remain active indefinitely. When you've reviewed everything, click Place Trade or Submit. Your limit order is now pending and will remain idle until price reaches your level. Here's a clear example. Suppose EUR/USD is trading at 1.2 thousand and you believe it will dip before moving higher. You set a buy limit at 1.1950. The trade will only open if price falls to 1.1950 or better. If the market never touches that level, the order simply won't execute. That's the beauty of limit orders. You define your entry and let the market come to you. To recap, pick your market, switch the order type to limit, set the exact price and size, add optional stop loss, take profit, or expiry, then submit. Keep it simple, stick to your plan, and let your limit order do the waiting for you.